Madam Chair, if I may.
Yes, Senator Bato.
Siguro, Secretary Remulla, you are aware about yung dalawang dissenting opinion na sinabi ng dalawang miyembro ng pre-trial chamber ng ICC na nagsasabi na yung jurisdiction, about temporal jurisdiction, ang magti-trigger lamang ng investigation is yung paghihingi ng pag-request ng permission ng prosecutor to the ICC. At ito'y ginawa nila 2 years after nag-effect yung ating withdrawal from the ICC. Ginawa po nila yan 2 years. Kaya nga dalawang dissenting opinion yun eh. So sana, kung tayo, if you want to interpret itong mga bagay-bagay na ito, sana we have to interpret it in favor of our people. Tao natin ito eh. Pilipino ito. Bakit natin papaboran yung mga foreigner na mga banyaga na yan? Sinabi sila na nga, nagsabi. It was the request for to conduct investigation was triggered 2 years after nag-effect yung ating withdrawal. But then again, Madam Chair, I will leave it at that. Please continue.
Senator De La Rosa makes a crucial point. The ICC's investigation was requested 2 years after the Philippines had officially withdrawn. Even ICC judges dissented on whether this was valid. In Philippine law, withdrawal should end obligations unless legally challenged.